Hey, it's Mr. Malte. I'm here on a Chromebook, so if it looks weird or sounds weird, that's why. But I want to show how to make a screencast on every Chromebook. It acts kind of like Loom, if you know that program, which is similar to Screencastify, but you get this little pop-up of your camera. The keyboard shortcut is Control, Shift, and the Overview key, which is a square with two lines up at the top. Usually it's next to the dim button. So Control, Shift, and that switcher key. And that brings up your capture menu. And mine's grayed out because I'm making a video right now, but you can go in and you can make sure you turn on your camera and all that stuff, make sure the mic's on. And how I would use this, so I've made blank slides that you could use for any concept. And I'll show one with just a capture, a picture, a still image, and then one with what we're doing right now. So on this row of, this is math number in grade 2, I've got 3 different sets of virtual manipulatives. So I've got this Toy Theater, this Didax, and the Math Learning Center. All awesome for virtual manipulatives. So let's say you want to go to this one, Math Learning Center, and you want to do just a number frame activity. So you have the students do the activity, and it can be whatever. It could be look at the outcome. They do it here, whether it's balance with scales or it's pattern blocks or all those other manipulatives. And you're going to take this work and capture it. I'll show you 2 ways. This one, you can save the image and copy it, but a lot of tools don't have that, so I'll show you how to just copy it. So got my slides. You have made this for the students. It could be number and representing number up in 10 and blah, 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 blah. So Control, Shift, and that Overview key. And I'm going to copy and capture. And I'm just going to Control V, paste that on. So here you're asking a question and asking students to represent it with some kind of screen capture. Right? Simple, straightforward. This one's also nice because it has this little share button at the bottom that you can click, copy image. I think you have to right click and copy, 2-finger click, and then Control V again, paste it in. So 2 ways you can get those screen captures from there. I know that's kind of fast, but just the idea is on Chromebooks, it's probably the best way to do a capture like I'm doing on one of these many tools for whichever concept. And if you want different slides, that's cool. I just made the most generic blank slides possible where they could copy and paste their little screenshots with a variety of tools like these ones. Now maybe you want to know a little bit more and get more of their learning. It's still the same keyboard shortcut, Control, Shift, and that Overview key. But this time you're going to go to the camera and make sure the camera and microphone are both turned on. Oops. And then we're going to record a little video just like this. And they're here. And maybe you want them to say, I made a group of 5 and a group of 3. 5 plus 3 equals 8. And you want to hear them read 5 plus 3 equals 8. Depends on what concept you're doing. Obviously. Could be patterns. There's lots you could do here with patterns. But, yeah, changed it. Ha, neato. Nice. So you could do patterns. You could do whatever the concept is. And they're recording their knowledge. Then just back to the slide. And they're going to the insert video. The great thing about these recordings, like I'm making right now, they get saved directly to Drive in a folder called Screencast Recordings. And there is my last video. I just click, insert, boom. There you go. And just like that, this video that I'm recording now will be in that folder too once I press stop. So 2 really easy ways to practice that. It'll require a little bit of practice, and I know that's fast, but just the concept being, take the slides, students go to a virtual manipulative or anything, use a screen capture or a little screencast recording to share their knowledge. Fax me with any issues.